fasting, FBS, and RBS. So when we talk about FBS, guys, so as it is defined, it measures blood glucose after you are not eaten for at least 8 hours. So from the word itself, fasting, you need to fast your patient. Kinahanglan dili mo siya pagkaon na hours prior na kuhaan siya o blood specimen. Okay? So it is often the first test done to check for pre-diabetes and diabetes. So the normal range of your fasting blood sugar level is 700 mg per dl to 100 mg per dl. Okay? While your random blood sugar measures blood glucose regardless of when you last ate. In short, there's no need for fasting when it is RBS. So it is done anytime when a certain person suddenly feels ill and that person has a history of diabetes. So at any point, pwede na natin siya kuhaan, and that is random blood sugar test. Okay? So for the items that we are going to need for the procedure, so we need our glucometer, our lancing device, your lancet, your test strip, a pair of disposable gloves, your forceps, your pickup forceps for your cotton balls that you will be needing, okay, your alcohol for sanitizing your hand, and your waste receptacle, and your sharps container to dispose your used lancet. So when you say lancet, so this is the needle that we use to prick for glucose tests. So maliit lang ang lalaman. Okay? So to start with, we're going to wash and make sure that our hands are clean before we start our procedure. After you make sure that your hands are clean, next you're now going to go into your patient's room, greet your client, introduce yourself, identify your patient, and explain the procedure. So you explain that you are there to monitor the blood sugar level of your patient. So next, you're now going to assess the patient's skin at a possible puncture site at the finger and look for edema, inflammation, cuts, sores, avoid bruised areas, and open lesions. Any volunteer, please? Kasi mag-volunteer ko. Kuha o blood sugar. Okay. So when you're going to choose the site where you're going to get your fasting blood sugar, so we're always going to get it from the finger. Okay? So we always utilize either the middle finger or the pointer finger. But I prefer the middle finger because this is much more muscular compared to the pointer finger. Okay? So you make sure that the middle finger does not have any cuts, walay samad, wala siya nagahubag, so in short, fit ang skin para makuha ka og specimen. Okay? So after you make sure that you have the site to where you're going to get your blood specimen for the blood sugar test that you're going to perform, so you're now going to position your patient comfortably in a chair or in semi-fowler's position in bed. So, pwedeng nakaupo, pwede lang din nakahiga ang pasyente. Okay? Anyway, finger lang naman ang i-access natin. Okay? Next, you're now going to get a test strip from the vial and tightly reseal the cap after, then insert the test strip into the meter. So, you're going to obtain, okay, the test strip. So, you make sure that the part where blood will be dropped on, huwag niyong hawakan as much as possible. So, may dalawang ends ang ating test strip. So, nakita niyo itong maraming linya. Yan yung papasok sa device. Yung isang linyang ganyan, yan yung part kung saan nyo itatabi yung dugo ng pasyente ninyo. Okay? So, you're now going to insert this onto your meter. So, kani siya na meter, guys. Both ni siya uric and glucose. So, napo siya strip para sa uric acid. So, glucose man ito gamiton kay glucose test. So, kaning dekang linya, mo na inyong isuksok din. So, usually most meters will turn on the moment when you insert the strip. Kita niyo yan. So, pag nakikita niyo yung blood drop na nag-blink, so ibig sabihin yan, ready na yan pwedeng lagyan ng dugo yung strip. Okay? Next, after we have taken out the test strip and placed it on the meter, we are now yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Tomorrow is Friday. Yes, Friday. Na? Kaunsa? Unya? Ma-cancel. Unya? Ikaw, ikaw anak, ikaw magbalanse. Sagot. Friday. Ngayon mong Saturday. Nak, major ba yan anak? Ito ka ng histology. Ayun yung RCD. Saan mo sa Saturday? And you have been absent the last time, so wala na prof yung absent ka, absent ka. Ano saan mo ulit? Nagkana ulit ako. I-update ko kung paulit. Once a majorette, always a majorette. She has been a majorette when she was still 2 years old. Ni-retire na siya o abot niya yung senior high because I told her to focus on her studies. Karon, hanggat mo siya sa iyang sir. Eh, siya ang mag-lead sa karin sa labra. Siya ang mag-mother. I told her to choose. Prioritize her studies. Hindi, pare din. Retire na ka na, retire na. Maliwagos na kawag. Ano na siya? Ugat. Yung kita ko. Gusto din siya mo-appeal. Uyo. Iwalo siya klase yung ma. Uyo, na klase sa bado. Major din ang subject. Even absent. Okay. Uy ba? My life again. Okay. Uy ba? Kasata. Okay. After we position our patient comfortably on a chair or in a semi-Fowler's position, so you are now going to get the test strip, place it into your meter. Then, after preparing your test strip onto your meter, so nabantayan ninyo, yun na, napalong siya. So, pag mapalong na ninyo siya, so inyo na ninyo ito, yan i-reinsert. Ma-on po na siya balik. Okay? So, next, we're now going to prepare our lancet and our lancing device. Okay? So, this is the lancing device. This is our lancet. Okay? So, first, we are going to open our lancing device. So, when you open this, so you just hold this part, the gray part, out. Okay? So, this is where the lancet will be placed. So, once this is inside, when you hear that click, it's in place already. Okay? So, after which, you are now going to remove the cap, no, and insert the new lancet. Again, remove the cap, insert a new lancet. Then twist the protective tip of the lancet and replace the cap and the device and adjust the puncture depth. So pag na-plaster na si Lancet, kaning disc, kaning tingin. Inyo na tuyokon, dili, ana-anaon. Tuyokon lang, tuyok. Makita ninyo, kamatol rin lalo. Okay? Then, you put this back to cover. Okay, so you make sure na talaga hindi na maibot ha. Then, you adjust the puncture depth. Puncture depth, kasi ang ilaw mo sa tusok. Okay? So, depende na siya kung saan nakubalo ng finger sa iyo. Okay? So, kung medyo nipis, makapal mo naman yan. No? So, kung medyo nipis, 3 lang tayo. Pag medyo makapal, mag 3.5 tayo. O, minsan, hindi pa yan, malutan 3.5, mag 4 ka pa talaga. Okay? So, i-3 lang natin. So, paano i-adjust ang puncture depth? Okay? So, kaning puti, dito ninyo, yan, ituyok. Tapos siya number 3. Okay? Ituyok po rin siya. 2, 1. So, ibutan ninyo sa, so, kaning yung tuyok ko na kaning puti. Ha? Kaning gray mo niya pang-upgrade. Kaning puti mo niya pang-adjust sa depth. Ibutan ito sa 3. Okay? Saktan? Okay. So, asa pinduton para mo tusok. Kani. Did you hear that sound? Tusok na to siya. So, pag i-release naman na to, pwede na siya pirahon aning lubot. When you hear the click, i-place na po na siya. Pag pinduton, tusok. Okay? Saktan? Yes. Okay. Next, let's go to number 9. Wash again and disinfect your hands since you have touched several items. And then you're now going to wear your gloves. Ito, iting mo, pinapalo na po siya. So you just use disposable gloves. Do not use sterile gloves, ha? Kung nakaraan, nagamit ng sterile gloves. Tapos, you don't know the technique on how to properly wear the sterile gloves. There's a technique for that. Hindi pareho lang ito. Pwede rin ito random na pagsulod-sulod gloves. Ang sterile gloves na siya technique. So, ang pagsulod. Okay? So, after you have worn your gloves, next, select a puncture side, the lateral side of the finger. So, pag kayo magtutusok daw, di ba kayo middle finger ang gamiton? Sa kilid, dili sa tunga. Ha? Because it is painful when you puncture at the center. It's less painful when you do it at the side. Okay? So, at the side, kilid, lateral. You say lateral kilid. Okay? Avoid the central tip of the finger, dili daw diri, because it has nerve supply, and when you prick the screen through that area, it can be painful. Okay? Next, number 11, disinfect the hand of your patient. So you don't need to disinfect the whole hand, you just disinfect the side where you're going to puncture your patient. Okay? So you use your cotton balls with alcohol. Open, of course, open as well your container for your dry cotton ball. We're going to use that later. So, ang una muna natin gamitin ay ang ating cotton ball with alcohol. So, you hold it by your hand. Hey, di ba pag mag-force mo, walay force. Mas na-force pag come on. Okay? So, you disinfect. You can just rub the hand like that. You rub firmly to remove dirt or whatsoever from the puncture side. Okay? Next, we are now going to hold the tip of the lancet against the skin and the puncture side. Press and release the button to remove the device. If you don't see a drop of blood, gently squeeze or massage the fingertip until a blood drop forms. So, isa ko na lang kulit ko yung alay. Okay, so, kung walang disinfect, i-plaster ng lancet. So, when you plaster this, like that, you try to burot the area. Ganyan. Okay? Paburoton niyo ba? Yan, mag-push niyo ang skin. Igurong ito. Okay? Then, firmly, position na ang inyong thumb, there is pinutan na. Pero ayun sa pinutan na. Plastar sa ta. So when that is already in place, like that, side of the finger, so you push this button, okay? As you remove the device, you will see a drop of blood. Kamay lang na siya. Tulog lang. You wipe off with a cotton ball, dry cotton ball, the first drop, okay? Then you squeeze again. That is when you're going to put your test strip. Naintindihan? Hindi yung first drop. Na, tanggalin mo na yung first drop bago yung, no? Tsaka paluguin mo muna ng isa pa. Tsaka mo kukunin. Okay? Next, make sure the meter is on. So when you put this one here, kung nanay dugo, ana. So ang kaning silver part sa strip, oh, naidugo diha, itapad, ili-iligwat. Ha? Inyong kaluson ka na. O ana, itapad lang, then you wait na musubay ang dugo diha sa silver. Okay? And then, obtain an adequate blood sample. The test result will appear automatically on the screen. No? On the screen. So you make sure, kaman along, you make sure, on yun na siya. Or else masayang ang strip. Mahal na ba ang strip? Muna nakamahal sa test. Okay? So, sayon na siya, wala kay gamiton, pero kani kay mahal. No? Kani ba, natuho na siya na klase, kani Sinocare. But if you buy the branded ones, like the ones that I have, my strip costs 1.6 for just 20 pieces of the strip. So, hindi na siya expensive. Pero kato ko ginagamit kay mas kampante ko na accurate yun ang grading. No? So, kaya I do just use this one for the demonstration inside the class. Okay? But this is actually accurate naman. Okay. Basta paniguro naman. Okay, so, after you put this one like that, apad lang, apad. Okay? So, after, magsugod na siya, basta. No? Then you can put that anak, then you get cotton ball, then you cover, no? Then pahawakan kay patient. Okay? Ba, anak ano, kani-brani. Yeah. Anak ang pagulit sa cotton ball. Na. Kung diri ka speakers mag-break, diri ka na side. Iyo, diri, gusto paghawin, anak. So, lisod sa kinabuhi. Okay? So, we will disinfect this again because diri ka touch your finger. Luya ko na patient. Sabi kayo para makita. Okay? So, basta mo mag-break, check kung naandar. Ha? Okay, ma-error na masayang ang strip. Okay? So, ana. Push. Okay? Yeah. Samtang ga-push ka, i-firm no. Firm ang skin. Duot po ni. Duot. Okay? Paano naman nyo ha? Apat lang. Buyog ang puti ang lubog na di ba ni sumbay? Okay? Ano na yun? Pagalit. You get another clean, dry cotton ball. Wait, ma'am. Okay? Easier than your intradermal. Okay. Her result is 180. You divide that into 80. Somebody please divide 118 divided by 80. Friends, divide that. Standard yun ang conversion na. 6.5 yun ang taon. Dam lang mo siya. Kaya nagkain mo siya, random eh. No? Diba, according sa random, diba, ang normal is 1 to 5 milligrams. 118 si Jurica, considered pa na normal. No? Normal, anong normal? Kalikaon man, no, random man, wala man nag-fasting. Masagdan, okay. After you get the sample, nakita nyo, ilagyan natin na cotton ball to cover the outer side. Then you get your pocket notebook and your pen. You record. Okay. Pag diabetic ang pasyente ninyo, dapat may oras talaga yan. No? Lagay niyo oras. For example, karon alas 10 sa gabi. Grabe yun, abot alas 10 sa eskwelahan. No? Then, butang 180 milligrams per dl. Okay? Record na nyo. Basta, caregiver mo, yan yung pasyente diabetic. Dapat, continuous na inyong monitoring with time. Nag-isang time. Okay? Then, dispose the test strip and the lancet in the proper receptacle. So, if you're going to dispose this one, since this is infectious, no, so you put this one in the infectious bin, or pwede na po dyan ito isulod sa sharps container. Okay? And then, kani, do not forget, open. Be careful. No, hindi mo ma-break. Use your forceps. Remove. Discard the sharps container. Okay? So after you do your aftercare, so you're now going to remove your gloves, perform hand hygiene, and do not forget to record your patient's blood sugar. Any questions? Before I go into the what are the things that you're going to bring? Any questions? Okay? Oh yeah, standard conversion yan. Huwag nyo na itanong sa akin kung bakit 80, bakit 20. It is standard conversion yan. Divided by 80. Okay? But there are some meters na naka-automatic na siyang converted. No? Pareha ito ang glucometer. Automatic. Dito siya milligram per dl. Okay, so the RD for this one will be on Saturday. Okay? Saturday, Webis ka lang, di ba? Sabi, kano sa day? Ha? Hindi. Shock. Okay, Saturday. So on Saturday, does any of you have glucometers at home? Wala. So, I don't think that the strip will suffice your number. Okay, gamay na lang din siya. Okay? Kasi yung aking inipon ng mga strips dyan, ginamit na namin nung kami ay nag-community service. No? So, ako'y bumili ng maraming strip, tsaka ginamit ko para community service. So, nagpalibre ako ng blood sugar test sa community, so nagamit kami ng mga 200 something na strips. Naubos lahat ng aking pondo. No? So, wala na akong naiwan dyan. Pwede kong i-share sa inyo. So, ang problema ni, well, di ko sure kung makapalit mo o strip sa side care. Okay, kung unsay brand sa glucometer, okay na yung brand sa strip. Okay? Ang akong strip, yung hindi ko sa inyo, mahal to. One touch. Mahal to siya. Yung strip ato is, last na kong palit, 1.5. Almost 1.6. 1.5 something.